2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 0 to 60, 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, Tidward POV track drive. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Ford brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 0 to 60, 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, Tidward POV track drive. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 0 to 60, 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, Tidward POV track drive. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 can come in for the emphasis and will probably be easily accessible to get a minimum of a pre-get. We have actually been observed a massive customize in the wind in the Ford Electric Motor Company about current years. Collectively with all the near to future of Ford functionality vacating one amazing neighborhood system ideal right after another. One in the latest as well as one of the finest of the second option is unquestionably the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350, higher functionality track car that you can enroll in regards to the opportunities and also value. Prepared, this Mustang consists of bone pieces to pick out. Exterior. 2019 release auto states that this year's kind of the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 has some new adjustments. As an image, the major fascia has actually expanded to be remodeled as well as shrunk, making use of a new fender as well as entryway splitter, along with tilted channels integrated into the grille, auto on/away from headlight with unique lighting, and a vented hood. Instead of fog lighting components, you'll discover braking technique cooling down air vents. In relation to the back once again is truly a backwing produced from CO2 fibers, brought consecutive tail lights, back diffuser, and double exhaust with quad recommendations. A research study from Greatest Moderately Valued New Auto states that your back wing switches on the center of stress rearward which therefore includes lift-up stability and also enhances downforce of the vehicle. Interior. Updates are a lot more extensive on the inside, starting with a brand new machined lightweight aluminum applique for the control board. The facet can be entered subjected carbon fiber off the choices listing. The door panel inserts were additionally transformed, presently provided in dark slate mico suede with accent stitching. The sports car furthermore sporting activities a brand new set of Recaro race seats as standard. The systems have strong side strengthening for correct lateral support as well as likewise race spec harnesses. The seats also have brand new power adjustable features as well as are readily offered with suede inserts. On the tech along with comfort side, the Criterion 8-inch Sync 3 touchscreen showcases Sirius XM along with Ford Pass Link, while a dual zone environment control system is included in the base strategy, as is a garage door opener. A custom tuned 12-speaker audio system by Harman Kardon is used. Engine. Under the hood, the Shelby GT350 gets the unique high-revving 5.2-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine that delivers 526 bhp of max power as well as 581 nanometers of top torque. This engine is mated to a Tremec 6-speed guidebook transmission. Ford is likewise supplying the Mustang Shelby GT350 in new color choices like the Rate Blue and also Ford Efficiency Blue. Optional factory painted over-the-top racing red stripes are offered in high-gloss shadow black, Oxford white, or Kona blue. Mirror-mounted Shelby Cobra projection lamps additionally comes as standard in the modern technology package. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 release date and price. There are high chances that 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 will absolutely be provided at the end of 2019, potentially in December, for the price of $55,000. One is for sure, new Shelby supplies more than practice. It has the precise same price as well as also durability as old layouts, covered with an up-to-date covering in addition to improved with lots of modern info. With this automobile, you get even much more worth for the low price than with various other vehicle on the marketplace. Thanks.